Everyone knows that being overweight does have consequences. And our objective here in this video is to share something with you that you can not only speed up your metabolism, help your blood glucose and insulin levels, as well as so many other things by just becoming tuned in to cinnamon. Let me explain the benefits first of what cinnamon can do for the physiology, the health, the wealth of our body, and then I'm going to explain why this cinnamon stick and how this cinnamon stick can do wonders when it comes to you losing weight. Cinnamon contains compounds that possess anti-inflammatory properties, which help reduce inflammation in the body and support overall health. And cinnamon has antimicrobial properties, antiviral, antibacterial, antifungal, that can do wonderful things to keep your body healthy. And studies show that cinnamon can enhance your cognitive function, your memory, and attention by improving your brain function. And cinnamon will help increase your blood circulation, which can support cardiovascular health and your overall well-being. And cinnamon also has cancer-fighting properties. Those powerful compounds in cinnamon, those antioxidants, the cinnamaldehyde, has been shown to inhibit cancer cells from growing. And cinnamon has been known to reduce heart disease. And it's been linked to lowering the bad cholesterol called the low-density lipoproteins, or LDL, as well as our triglycerides. And those fats are risk factors when it comes to clogging of our arteries that can block off blood circulation to our heart that we call a heart attack, or our brain that we call a stroke. Cinnamon has been proven over and over to make you more insulin sensitive, meaning it will allow glucose to get into the cells much easier, taking the stress off the pancreas, and cinnamon will help your digestive system, relieving gas and bloating, as well as soothing your stomach discomfort. And that powerful aroma in cinnamon will do wonderful things within the brain, the neurotransmitters as well as the hormones, to make you feel more relaxed, more serene, to put you in a better mood, to help you sleep better so you can wake up refreshed. And cinnamon has been used in oral healthcare products for its antibacterial properties, which helps bacteria from growing as well as combating bad breath. And not only is cinnamon used as an aromatherapy, yes, it's delightful to smell that cinnamon making its way our respiratory tract into our lungs, but those powerful anti-inflammatory properties helps lung health. And cinnamon stimulates the insulin receptors of our cells, allowing the uptake of glucose much easier, making you more insulin sensitive, less insulin resistant. And remember that when you have normal blood sugar levels, this helps spark up your metabolism so much easier. It's going to prevent that excessive storage of fat, that visceral fat, which is the dangerous fat. And the main compound in cinnamon is the cinnamaldehyde that has those powerful thermogenic effects. And thermogenesis refers to the process by which the body generates heat and increases your metabolic rate. And by activating thermogenesis, cinnamon will increase calorie expenditure and contribute to fat burning. And cinnamon plays a tremendous role with your insulin and fat storage. As we're increasing insulin sensitivity, cinnamon supports the body's ability to utilize stored fat for energy. And if you're eating too much processed refined foods, too much sugars, even just drinking too much fructose, your body is going to become more inflamed. All diseases are tied into inflammation. But the cinnamaldehyde in cinnamon reduces that inflammation. It has a tremendous impact of keeping it down. And when your inflammation is down, that's when your metabolism can spark up to help you burn fat. And there's no doubt that just a simple cinnamon stick can do wonderful things when it comes to increasing thermogenesis, increasing your metabolic rate, increasing satiety. That means it's going to increase your leptin levels and lower your ghrelin levels. Your leptin is your satiety hormone, your ghrelin is your hunger hormone. It's going to help your gastrointestinal system. It's going to balance out your blood glucose and insulin levels, as well as many, many other things. But here's what you need to do. You're just going to put it in your mouth and start chewing it and sucking on it as time goes on. If it's 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. When I was in India, I walk around and I'm seeing everyone with cinnamon sticks in their mouth. And I was curious why. The research shows that cinnamon does wonderful things and increase your metabolic rate. And it is important that you must start eating healthy again. Getting rid of those fried, those processed refined foods, your fruits and vegetables, your prebiotics, those soluble fibers, as well as those healthy lean meats if you like, or fish, your whole grains. You got to get your sleep. You need to exercise. At least something, you need to keep moving. Movement is life. It's all about biomechanics. You need to keep the stress levels down. But I challenge you, take your cinnamon stick and just suck on it. It's delicious. It's doing wonderful things for your body. It's going to give you that satiety. When the brain thinks that there's something in the mouth, it's not going to give you that excessive hunger. It will decrease the hunger. That's what cinnamon does. These oils get into your system, they get into your bloodstream, and then your body can do its thing. And hopefully, you're going to see these great results real fast. Please share this video with your friends and family. I really hope that this video does wonderful things for you. Remember, you still need to eat very healthy. Don't depend on something. You need to depend on yourself by doing the right things. So I wish you and your family all the many blessings with good health. Start chewing on your cinnamon and watch what happens. Make it a great day. I'm Dr. Alan Mandell.